Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through how to create POS payment methods and how to add them to your POS sessions. Let's get started. From the home page, navigate to the main menu. Head to the point of sale module. Click on Configuration. Then select POS payment methods. Here, you'll see a list of all the payment methods currently available in your system. To add a new one, click on Add. Now, start filling in the required fields. Method name, give your payment method a clear name. Force selecting customer, tick this option if you require a customer to be selected when using this payment method. Journal, choose the journal where transactions for this method will be recorded. Once everything looks good, go ahead and create the payment method. Now, let's add this payment method to your desired POS session. Head back to the main menu. Go to the point of sale module. Then click Configuration. And then head to POS Configuration. Here, you'll see a list of your POS sessions. Select the session you want to update and click Edit. Scroll down to the Payment section. In the Payment Methods field, add the new method you just created. If everything looks fine, click Save. Now, let's test it. Go to the Point of Sale module. Then to Point of Sales. Enter your desired POS session. Add your items and proceed to payment. Here, you'll find your new payment method available for use. And that's it, you've successfully created and configured a new POS payment method in Invent ERP. Thanks for watching.